I'm Kelsey.
And
This is
that's
Dixie. And we're Love Hut for Life. And we have a fancy new composting toilet.
And we're going to show you how we made it. You guys might be wondering how we possibly could have made it 6 months without one of these. It's because some residents of the Love Hut didn't think we needed one.
I love you, Shane.
That's cute and all, but that's not what I want. Give me what I want.
I can't wait to be your wife, Shane.
Those are all great. Come on, let's go.
You're wrong, Shane.
That is not what belongs on this. Come on. Hey, look at me. You and your cute little butt. Turn around. Come on, Dixie's waiting. She wants to hear it. Hey.
Hey.
Say it.
You're wrong, Shane.
No, I'm not. Admit it. You needed a bucket to poop in. Say it.
So after one really bad case of food poisoning for Shane and several instances of being in situations where my bathroom plans just didn't work out, I did finally have to admit Shane was right. Look, baby, it's on video.
Yeah, you should have a bathroom, apparently. It's a good idea.
It is. It's necessary. That was in January. So we've gone with this route for quite a while before finally building ourselves an indoor toilet. And this is how we did it.
Most home improvement stores have pre-cut 2x2 squares, which is a lot easier to maneuver around than a whole sheet of plywood. Along with those sheets of plywood, I used strips of wood to build a reinforced base to start building the box off of. The next step was to add the sidewalls. I continued using the wood strips to reinforce each corner as I moved upwards. Adding in the 2 end pieces completed the lower box portion of this build. Generally, one would use a table saw for this action, but steel-toed boots and a reciprocating saw is my answer in the desert. That risky maneuver generated the lumber I needed to manufacture the feet for the bottom of the box to raise it up to the proper level. And it was time to water seal it all. It took a fair amount of trial and error to line up the seat over the bucket as well as the funnel inside of the box. I even went as far as using myself as a means of measurement. I then drilled 2 holes on the side, one for the exhaust fan and one for the liquid drain tube. I then utilized weather stripping around the top to create a seal between the lid and the frame of the box. The catchment system is quite simple. It is a modified bucket as well as a modified water jug that allows for a funnel to go into the top as well as a drain hose out of the pre-existing hole on the jug. Both drain and exhaust exit out of the side of the box. All points of contact were lined with weather stripping as well as a latch added to the front to keep constant pressure on the lid of the box.
With the toilet completed, it was time to bring it inside and see how it fits and works.
The reason for the sealed unit is because we just dropped it into a storage unit that we had built into our staircase previously to keep canned foods in. Both drain and exhaust pipes exit out of the box and downwards towards the floor, which is directly underneath the overhang over the bed of our truck. From the exterior of the house, I easily connect a siphon pump to the drain hose, and I'm able to relocate any fluids inside of the unit to the exterior of the house without any spillage.
Just like the bucket inside with compostable bags, this allows us to legally and properly dispose of our waste regardless of where we're at.
I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and maybe you come up with your own creation.
Moral of the story, guys, if you're going to the desert, you're going to need a pooper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in learning more about us or our very interesting house, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos.
Bye, y'all.
Peace out. Cut.